How often should I maintain my galvanized steel to prevent rust?
Hello there. In today's video, we will be discussing a very important topic. How often should you maintain your galvanized steel to prevent rust? Galvanized steel is a popular material in many industries due to its strength and durability. However, like all materials, it requires proper maintenance to prevent deterioration over time.
What is galvanized steel?
First, let's understand what galvanized steel is. Galvanized steel is essentially steel that has been coated in a layer of zinc. The zinc coating acts as a protective barrier to prevent rusting, which is a common problem with steel when it comes in contact with moisture and oxygen.
How often should I maintain my galvanized steel?
Coming to our main question, the frequency of maintenance depends on several factors including the environmental conditions and usage. In general, galvanized steel should be inspected every 6 months for signs of wear and tear, especially in harsh environmental conditions. However, if the galvanized steel is in a controlled indoor environment, annual inspection might suffice. It's crucial to remember that maintenance does not just involve inspection but also cleaning. Regular cleaning with mild soap and water, followed by a thorough rinse, can go a long way in keeping the material in top shape.
What if I notice rust forming?
If during your routine inspections, you notice any signs of rusting, don't panic. The beauty of galvanized steel is that the zinc layer will corrode preferentially, giving the steel underneath a longer lifespan. However, if rusting is observed, this indicates that the zinc layer might be compromised. Therefore, you should take immediate action to restore the protective layer. This often involves cleaning the rusted area and applying a zinc-rich paint or similar product to restore protection. So, there you have it. Regular maintenance of galvanized steel, which includes biannual or annual inspections and cleaning, can significantly extend its lifespan and keep rust at bay. Remember, being proactive is the key here. If you notice any signs of rust, take immediate steps to rectify the issue. Hope this video helps you understand the importance of maintaining your galvanized steel. Stay tuned for more useful tips and advice.